Hey everyone, it's Sarah back with another tutorial. Today I just wanted to show you a super simple yet put together makeup look for when you have to be quick on the go. So I'm going to start with my moisturizer to prime, and then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild foundation. Since I'm in a rush, I'm just going to apply it all over with the applicator, and then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques foundation brush to evenly disperse it across my face. I'm trying to be really quick, so to avoid any lines or streaks from the brush, I'm going to go back in with a damp beauty blender, and that just evens out everything and blends it very smoothly. I cannot skip my brows. I love a bold brow, so I'm just going to go in with my Milani Brow Pomade, and what I like to do is long flicks and strokes like within the lines of my eyebrow. So I'm going to start at the end and do a thin line, and then I'm going to start building my arch, connecting to it, filling in any sparse areas where there's no color or missing hairs. And then it's important to use the spoolie side to just blend everything to comb your hairs in the right direction. It makes it look more defined, in my opinion. So going in on the other brow, like I said, a long flick and stroke, on fleek to flick. If you saw my last video, then you know what that means. But anyways. So after I'm happy with the shape and the coloring of my brows, I'm just going to go in with my fluffy brush and my Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to go all over my face, not just my cheekbones. The reason I do it all over is because I feel like it adds dimension to your face. It gives you a warm and bronzed look, and it kind of pulls everything together. It definitely adds an element to the look, and it only takes like less than a minute to do. And then since I'm trying to save on time, I'm just going to lightly dust my nose and then go actually on my eyelids. I'm going to brush over the ends. It's just going to give some color. It's going to replace my eyeshadow. I can just skip that step, save on time, and it's going to make everything even out and make my eyes pop. I'm just going to use like a bare brush now. That brush has no product on it, just to make sure that the application is even. Next, I'm going to add some blush to the apples of my cheeks just to give myself a rosy color, and then I'm going to go ahead in with my lipstick. It was kind of dark and gray and rainy today, so I decided to do a dark color. I think that adding a bold lip or a bright lip that catches the eye definitely pulls a very simple look together. I'm gonna quickly put on some mascara, and then after that, since I have a minute, I'm going to take my Cream Benefit High Beam Highlighter. It's actually called Sunbeam, I believe, but it's just a little bit of a gold touch to your face, a little bit of luminosity on your eyes, your eyeshadow, your cheekbones, your nose, wherever you really want to put it. Alright, so this is the completed look. I did this under 5 minutes, and I just wanted to show you guys that you can achieve a nice yet simple and glamorous look really quickly. So I just wanted to show you a couple different lights, how the lipstick looks in different areas. As you can see, it's a lot darker than when I first put it on. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please definitely comment down below saying any future video suggestions, if what you liked from the video, what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!